Hey Hub Nation, it's Jordan Morrill at Hub, and I got my good friend
Mike Hall.
and we're going to talk about Deutsch Connectors, or
DT Connectors.
all right, Hub Nation. So as you're already aware, we do a lot of work for the waste and recycling industry overall. You can get with myself, David Miller, or Sam Helmick on all your day-to-day pieces when it comes to the waste industry. And for today's topic, it might be something that you have seen quite a bit in your world. So just kick off really quick. Obviously, there's two sides. You have your operations team who handles your safety, your vest, your hard hats, and then of course, your maintenance team, which today's conversation is going to be definitely more focused to your maintenance team, your maintenance managers, your maintenance clerks. And Mike, quick question. So these Deutsch Connectors, DT Connectors, there's a couple names for them. What exactly are these?
So these are those weather pack style connectors that are European. There's a lot of them out there. They get a little bit confusing, but basically it's a multi-pin connector where you have two different sides. They plug right together. They got a seal in there to keep all the water and grime out of there, keep the dust out. They're really versatile connectors. These things get used all over the trucks.
And what exactly do you use them for?
Oh, so you may need them just to replace it because of wear and tear, but then you may also want to make some custom connections too. If you're putting on some new lighting, you're changing out brake lights for different brake lights, clearance lights, whatever.
Yep.
Sometimes you just need a new circuit. These are going to be the ones that you use. If you're changing, chassis, body stuff, sometimes they live under there too.
So again, as we already mentioned a moment ago, we work with a lot of waste and recycling companies across the country. This is something that actually one of our partners reached out to us and asked if we can come up with a package of these specific connectors because they were having some current supply chain problems. And then by us really specializing in what you're dealing with, we were able to bring forth a lineup that's specifically for what the waste industry needs.
So when the request came in, they were not only having troubles like getting these things, but then the second part of it was they just didn't understand a lot of the nomenclature and part numbering of these systems. So what we did is we put together a nice visual with part numbers on it, and it'll be flashed up on the screen here so you can see it. And if you need one of these reference guides, just let us know. Ask Jordan, ask Sam, ask David, and we'll get you one right over there.
So thank you, Mike. That was a lot of good knowledge. And if you ever need assistance on the DT Connectors, Deutsch Connector realm, give us a call. We're your guys.
You got it. Thanks, guys.
Later, Hub Nation.